Just wanted to talk a little bit about everybody trying to skip their mortgage payments in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic. Everybody's trying to miss payments, and yes, you are going to be able to miss 3 to 6 payments depending on the lender or servicer that is currently holding your mortgage. But all servicers, all the lenders right now, they're all backed up with phone calls. So I'm just going to urge you guys, if you do want to skip your payments, it's totally available to you. Just don't call. So if you go online, go to your online banking or your online mortgage portal, what you're going to see is it should be the first page that pops up. When I went on my mortgage portal, it was the first thing that popped up. It says COVID-19, disaster relief, do you need help, etc., etc. Click that. It'll guide you right through on how to claim disaster relief, to try to get some skipped payments or missed payments. And people are asking, are you going to have to pay these back? Of course, you're going to have to pay them back. They're most likely going to be paid back at the end of your loan, so you don't have to worry about it now. For example, instead of a 30-year loan, you now have a 30-year loan plus 6 extra months for the 6 months you missed, or 3 months, so on and so forth. Another thing, because people are missing their payments, and because lenders do know this, essentially the money on the lower tiered clients is beginning to dry up. What I mean by that is anybody that is currently trying to get an FHA loan or a VA loan and you have below a 620 credit score, those deals have kind of dried up. The money for that pool of customer or client, that money has dried up. Why? Well, most likely, if you have a lower credit score or if you're in the lower tier of clients, you're most likely the people that are going to be asking for mortgage forgiveness or disaster relief, so on and so forth. Well, at least that's how these mortgage lenders see it. And what every lender across the nation has done in regards to this COVID-19 relief is that they have cut off those programs. Those programs are no longer available for the lower tiered clients. Also, if you're looking for a bank statement loan, if you're a guy that's self-employed, you don't claim all of your income, you have a lot of write-offs, your income just shows very little, so you're not able to qualify for the traditional income guideline programs. If those programs have also kind of been on pause, or some lenders or investors, they've got really strict with those. They require you to put a lot of money down, and when I mean a lot, minimum of 20%, more likely 30 to 40% down now, and the rates have really jumped on those programs. But they are still available, so just call your mortgage lender, call your mortgage broker like myself. Our number will be at the end of this video if you want to call us and ask us any questions. And by the way, in the past, missing payments has affected your ability to purchase a new home. This is different. Or getting a refinance, missing your mortgage payment has affected you. This, of course, this is different. You're applying for disaster relief during the pandemic, so it won't be counted as against you. Again, tighter requirements and skipping your payment, and it's all because of all these people basically filing unemployment, going on furlough, getting days off of work. This is what happens. The money just kind of gets tighter. We're going to be back to normal soon. Most likely in the next 30 days, everybody's going to be back to normal. But again, things are still good. Rates are still at historic lows, and we look forward to helping as many people as we can through this. And if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to call us or the person that you guys are working with. I'm sure they're going to be able to answer your questions. And again, we're always here for you if you need anything. Thank you for listening.